Alright guys, so we took a little break on the intercooler, got all the cold side done. It's been a day now. Got back over here and we're going to finish up the hot side, but I really want to see this tablet work with that ECU. So I've got one of the injectors out now, and I'm looking at, got the new top hats here. These are the K series Denso injectors. These are 410 cc's. And then those are the adapter wires. So we're gonna get all these plugged on, get that hooked up. I got a 3-bar map sensor. I'm gonna put that on the car, and then pop the ECU in, and then we'll see if it runs.
Yay.
Yeah.
Might blow up.
Boom. All right, so here's the Denso injector, and this is the top hat. Now on the O-ring on here, this is a super tight fit, but it will slide in there. As soon as you get it down, it sits sideways because of this tab. And I saw that another guy had used these K-series injectors. You have to clean that tab off so this will sit all the way down flush. Otherwise your rail won't sit correctly. So we're gonna cut that off now.
I'm gonna try to.
Now it's going down most of the way here. It's good and secure now, so I think that'll work.
Nice. All right, let's get these old injectors out of here. Sucker's just tight.
Ooh. Filter's trying to come out of that one.
Don't do it.
Look at that.
Gasolina. Do that again?
Oh!
Are you bleeding?
Come on. No, I'm not bleeding. There you go. Come on. That was coming out too. That's weird.
Did you get it? Congratulations. Mix them all up so we don't know what's happening.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh.
Something don't sound right.
Look at them pretty blue injectors. Just look at it.
Let me get a zoom in there.
Look at that. Oh.
Them pretty blue injectors you can barely see.
Hey. They're blue.
I'm not judging.
All right, so Caleb,
what did you just say?
Is putting our new map sensor on. This is the original 1-bar, and we've got a 3-bar map sensor going on there. The ECU is set up for that. Injectors are on. About to throw in our new custom chipped ECU. This has a NepTune chip in it for now, so I can run Datalogging and send it back to the tuner. And the tuner that sent me this, and the guy I used for the Acura, same dude, it's FaceTuned on eBay, and I'll put a link in the description. But FaceTuned tuning is his name on there. And then this is the wiring adapter that I bought, and it's got some pretty cool stuff. It's got your VTEC solenoids, the boost wire if you have boost by gear, all that's labeled. Does not have NOS. But yeah, get this thing hooked up.
Well, wait,
Should be cool.
Before we do that, we have to cut a hole in the floorboard and then put a piece of diamond plate down so it
Paint it
won't
green.
fall out.
You gotta paint it green.
The diamond plate's silver. The car's
Are you sure? I think
100% positive. Look it up.
Okay, but the bolts are green.
I don't know the bolts. I just know the plate is silver.
Okay.
Diamond plate.
And then on the on our little dash, it's gonna pop up danger to manifold as soon as we hit 1 psi.
Yes.
You're gonna win. I'm gonna win. Alright guys, so here's the original ECU. Just gonna pull this out, and like I said, this adapter here goes from OBD2B to back to OBD1. So you can run an older chipped ECU in a newer model car. Should be good. So let's see what it does. Right, ignition switch to accessory, ignition switch on. Anything?
I heard what sounded like fuel was going somewhere, but I don't see any spraying out.
On. I didn't hear the fuel pump running.
I heard something, dude. Go ahead.
On.
Yeah, it's running. I
Oh,
hear it.
I hear it now.
Push the clutch in.
All right, here we go.
Not a good sign.
Not a good sign.
But, hang on, let me make sure there's no gasoline anywhere. I don't see any gas or smell it, so.
Bad sign. All right, guys. So the injectors, it wouldn't fire because the plugs in the injectors, they felt a little weird. The gray part of the plug that goes onto the normal harness, they sent me the wrong ones. They do not work on this car.
Good luck.
And they don't work on this car. They don't fit together. So we swapped the ECUs back out just to make sure that wasn't a problem. It still didn't run. We switched back and then pulled out one of the injectors, not injectors, sorry, the plug, pulled the wires out of the plug and then fed the wires directly into the stock harness and turn it over, one of them hit and it was awesome. So now we've done that to all four, so you can check them out. So here we've just plugged the wire directly in and it should fire and run. We're gonna put some tape on here though because metal and gas.
You mean sparks and gas?
Yeah, I'm getting tired. We're saying stuff backwards.
He's sleepy.
We're gonna try it.
All right. Almost. Got a couple of them. Did you do that?
No, I turned it off yet.
Okay.